We've got another crypto-based bank that has filed for bankruptcy. We also have CPI data coming out tomorrow with expectations, and two stellar stories for you. One, really fun and nice. The other one, well, kind of has me not concerned, but really intrigued on what's going on. So let's go screen and start exploring some crypto news. Stellar XLM is up on the screen, and you could see a recent pullback of price, a quite substantial one here as of late. And we got Bitcoin drops the support as looming CPI print shakes up crypto and stock markets. Got CPI data up on the screen. You could see most recently we're at 9.1%, then 8.6%. Expectations are ranging anywhere from 8.6 to 8.8%. That being said, what are we looking for, everyone? The delta, the change. So if expectations come in at 8.8 and all of a sudden the report comes in again at 9.1, we could see the Fed doing even something stronger than a 75 basis point hit. So look for that CPI data to come out on Wednesday morning. Oh gosh, another one. Yes, crypto-focused bank Nuri files for insolvency. This is a German crypto-focused bank that now has filed for insolvency in a Berlin court on Tuesday, weeks after it said it would lay off 20% of its workforce to drive profitability. So they tried letting go of their workforce, and now they're saying, hey, we are insolvent, but it says it does not affect their business, that deposits and withdrawals have guaranteed access. Yes, the German banking system, everyone. So yes, says they have access to their funds. But let me ask you this. Would you do business with a bank that just declared bankruptcy? And remember, this crypto contagion, this crypto hot potato that we've been dealing with, because right now we are August 9th. This started all on May 7th with Luna UST. So we have from May to June, June to July, and July to August, everyone. 3 months of crypto hot potato, crypto contagion that is still spreading through the market. And now on to the Stellar stories. First one is a fun one. This was a post that was found on Stellar's Twitter feed. Stellar in the wild, captured by Caro Carbonito while hiking in the Runyon Canyon. I love my hiking, so when I saw this, the story kind of hit home. But look at that. They've got a QR code for Stellar. So if you want to buy some of these items, you are welcome to use your Stellar Lumens to purchases. I've seen this in hikes in Colorado where they have honor system bins along trails. I've also seen it in the foothill trails here down in South Carolina and Georgia area. So fun Stellar story for you. But now we've got this. All right, the chart on the screen doesn't look too exciting, does it? But pay attention to the number, and I'm going to move this down here just a little bit. Pay attention to this number. Circulating supply, 25,235,000,000, and then boom, 25,270,000,000. So we have 35 million more lumens added to the circulating supply in the last 24 hours, and that brings us to this volume run up right here. Okay, so first let's take a look at the price, right? We had a price peak up here, 13.67, 13.7 in that range, and then now look what happened. Look at the volume. On average, over the last several days, the 24-hour volume for Stellar Lumens XLM has been 120, 130, 115 million. Now we saw that the volume peaked at 1.39 billion. So yes, the Stellar Development Foundation did dump another 35 million lumens into the circulating supply to cover their operating costs. But the movement of volume here was way higher than that. 1.39, $1.42 billion worth of XLM traded in a 24-hour period. And look at that. That is on the backside of this slope. So people were trading on the downside of this news. Now, to show you how significant of a volume move this is, I will zoom out to the 1 month time period. And you can see that even in this 1 month time period, this is the biggest peak of volume we have seen in 1 month. Now, let's zoom even further out to show you how big this is. We haven't seen this volume even in the last 3 months. In fact, previous volume highs were at $754 million compared to this $1.42 billion that we saw just yesterday. Be ready for that CPI data tomorrow. Don't worry, I got your back. You know I will do a story about it. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. Also, two Stellar stories. One, hey, Stellar in the wild. That's kind of cute story for everyone. But also, we have Stellar Development Foundation adding more lumens to the circulating supply, covering operating costs. But that's not where this massive pump of volume came from. So there were some lumens moved. We're not sure yet, though, but a massive amount, $1.42 billion worth of lumens, 10 times the normal amount that we have seen over a 24-hour period over the last 3 months. Yep, that's a lot of lumens moving. As we learn more about that, I will be sure to share them with you. And of course, crypto contagion, crypto hot potato is still spreading. We are 3 months deep into these stories, with now a German-based crypto bank being the latest one to say, hey, can't do it anymore. Market conditions are too much. There's going to be plenty more of that to come.